same day, August 7th. August 7th. 1 a.m. to Friday morning. This is an EAS, guys. I'm sorry, I couldn't get the beginning. I was so lucky to catch that. Jesus. Oh, shoot. That, I bet you it's canceled tomorrow. Oh, dang. Guys, I'm sorry, I missed the test today. I apologize for that. The whole test for the whole United States, the national test, I missed. And I apologize. Because that was really irritating, because I waited for that, and my iPad's going off, and it's fixing to go off really fast.
NWS, Butler County, MO, Special Web, close, button.
The storms we saw earlier in... Oh, tonight, guys, I want you guys to hear this, because... shut up. We have some risk again tonight, which I don't know. I'm sorry, guys, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it tonight. You know what I'll do is I'll do one video if I'm awake. I apologize, but I have something I have to go to tomorrow, which means I have to go to sleep, because I believe it's early in the morning. A limited risk. Oh, okay.
Heavy thunderstorms are expected to be ongoing across the region Thursday morning and continuing into the afternoon. A few of these storms are expected to become severe.
Oh.
There is also an elevated risk for flash flooding on Thursday, as rainfall rates will be ideal for excessive rainfall. Isolated to scattered thunderstorm chances are expected almost on a daily basis through the weekend and into next week. Heat index values
okay, so they're talking about some could become severe, which they were saying none would be severe. Oh yeah, so...
Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed through tonight.
Okay, that's good.
At 2 p.m. in Springfield, light rain and fog were reported. The temperature
That's
was 71.
definitely what I want to hear.
And the relative humidity 87%.
Because that means,
The wind was calm.
or I hope it means, that thunderstorms might be a little bit rare tonight.
Around the region, at Rolla, rain was falling with a temperature
Still kind of raining, storming, shoot. So,
91. Elsewhere across the Midwest, skies ranged from partly sunny to cloudy. It was 95 at Little Rock, 81 at Kansas City, 70 at Lake of the Ozarks, and 86 at St. Louis. Once again, at 2 p.m. in Springfield, it was 71 degrees. Light rain and fog were reported. Here is your National Weather
let's
Service
go.
forecast. A flash flood warning means.
Not getting much when it comes to certain stations. Channel 1, 2, 3, and 4 is coming in really good. This is out of Jeff City, and it usually does.
Here's your abbreviated National Weather Service forecast for Central Missouri, including City, Columbia, California.
Alright guys, anyway. I don't know what the heck happened. gonna go dead. And it looks like it did. Well, that's very annoying. Oh, shoot. Anyway, see you guys. I don't know if this is still on. You guys still there? I'm hoping you are, but I really think it's gone dead. Or very dead.